In this pandemic situation, it is very much required to boost your immune system. And to function much better, one should be away from worries and stress. And this can be achieved through pranayama practice. Namaste, my name is Chirag. I'm a yoga aspirant and will take you through this ancient practice and the science of pranayama. To understand in a simple language, prana means life force or energy. Ayama means voluntary regulation. And pranayama means regulation of prana through breathing, where we achieve homeostasis or a physical and mental balance. So in this situation where you're isolated, you have to work from your home, you cannot travel anywhere, people are scared, automatically you get stressed and there is a fear and anxiety. Stress, according to yoga, is uncontrolled speed of thoughts. Understanding a fast way of life will lead and end in a fast way. Slowing down is the key. According to Yoga Vasishta, yoga means mana prashamana upayaha yogaha, a skillful method to calm the mind. When you work on your breath, you will be able to balance your energy and the emotions become balanced when your mind becomes calm. Mind is root cause of almost all psychosomatic disease like hypertension, anxiety, depression, diabetes, IBS, rheumatism, etc. Try to take a 5 to 10 minutes break if you're working or if you're stressed, and even if you're angry. Try to come out of that situation. Close your eyes, calm down your mind by just observing your breath. Take 5 to 10 minutes breathing slowly and deeply. Breathing will help you really in any situation to focus and to calm your mind. Slow breathing promotes more blood circulation and activates the stress-resistant area in your brain, which will help you to handle the stress. COVID-19 has brought the focus right back to our breath. Pranayama is a time-tested natural immunity booster which balances mind and body and also unlock the reservoir of immense health benefits.